Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video, let us solve this question from mathematics paper 1, specifically under functions. Okay, so the question reads, given that f of x is equals to 3x plus 1 and g of x is equals to 4x minus 1, find the f inverse of x. So here we have solutions. Here we're writing solutions from this side. Okay, so we want to find the f inverse of x. So we notice that we have been given two functions in this on this question. We have the f function and the g function. So of course, obviously, we are going to use the f function to answer the first question. So the f inverse of x. So since we're using the f function, we're going to write down the f function down here. So we have the f of x is equals to 3x plus 1. Now, it is very important for you to know that f of x is always equals to y, is the same as y. F of x is the same as y. So where there is f of x, we are going to substitute with y. We don't want to be dealing with the whole of this bunch of letters, moving them up and down. So we are going to substitute with y here. So we say y is equals to 3x plus 1. So when you reach here, we have to make x the subject of the formula. So make x the subject of the formula. Make x the subject. I'm just going to write the subject. So make x the subject of the formula. So how can you do that? We have to shift everything which is with x to the other side of the equation. So starting with 1 is going the other side. So we have y. When 1 goes the other side, we have a minus 1, which is equals to 3x. How can you remove the 3, which is x? With x, we divide by 3, even there by 3. This one goes, and we have y minus 1 over 3, which is equals to x. This is the same as x is equals to y minus 1 over 3. Now, once we have made x the subject of the formula, we have to swap the x and the y. We swap x and y. So y is coming here and y will have to go there. So when you swap them to look like this, we have y is equals to x minus 1 over 3. Okay, we are done. So now where there is y, we have to substitute with the inverse function. So we say the f inverse of x is equals to x minus 1 over 3. So that's the answer for the first question. That's the answer for the first question. Now quickly we go to question 2. Now we need this answer, which is x minus 1 over 3 for the next question. We need that. So I'm quickly going to rub off. Now we want b. So how do we solve b? Okay, so to find b, we have the f inverse of 5, negative 5. The f inverse of negative 5. So we are still using the inverse function, which is the answer we are from finding. So we write down the inverse function for f. So we say f inverse of x is equals to x minus 1 over 3. Now notice that where there is x here, they have replaced with the negative 5. So even as throughout this function, where there is x, we have to substitute with negative 5. So we have the f inverse of negative 5 is equals to negative 5 minus 1 over 3, which is the f inverse of negative 5 is equals to negative 5 minus 1, which is giving us minus 6 and negative 6, so over 3. So the f inverse of negative 5 is giving us negative 2 as the answer. So this is the answer for the second question. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and leave comments, of course, in the comment section there. I'll be willingly, I'm willing to read your comments. Now we go to the last question C. Go to the last question C. Okay, so if you look at C, C is fg of x. Fg of x. So to find the fg of x, We're first going to write down the f function. Is the one which is if it was g here, we start with the g. So we start by writing the function which is written first. So here we have f. So write down the f function. So f of x is equals to 3x plus 1. Now, where there is x in the f function, they have placed the g function. So we have the f, where there is x, we put the g of x, then is equals to 3, where there is x, we put the g of x, then plus 1. So we have the f g of x is equals to 3. Then you put down the g function here, put down the g function, which is the 4x minus 1, then plus 1. So f g of x is equals to 3 times 4x, you're getting the 12x. 3 times negative 1, you're getting negative 3 plus 1. So f g of x is equals to 12x, then negative 3 plus 1, we're getting negative 2. Okay, you can factorize this to leave it as simple as possible. So we have the f g of x is equals to 2 is common, 2 open bracket, 2 into 12, we're getting the 6x there, 2 into 2, you're getting the minus 1 as the answer. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time to watch my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share the video. We are conducting online lessons for GCE 2024 as well as the 12, 10, 11 internal. So you can get in contact with us on 0972 36 50 11. You can call that number or you can WhatsApp on that number. Then we're going to respond to you immediately. Thank you. Have a blessed day.